Hello friends, welcome back to this amazing world of Kids Fun and Club with Parikshit and me Savan. Today we are going to draw something that all the kids love. You know what's that? Yes, McDonald's, the Happy Meal. Do you love it? If yes, tell that to us in the comments below. Do you love the Happy Meal from McDonald's? Parikshit loves it a lot, the McVeggie burgers and the fries. And do not forget about the cold drinks. Yes, we'll make it all today. And the toys that we get with the Happy Meal. Let's start our drawing of the Happy Meal from McDonald's. Let's get started. As always, we need a black sketch pen, some colors, and a white paper. Let's get started. Bye-bye. Sorry. Let's get started. Okay, so first, we start with making the box of the Happy Meal. How does that box look like?
It almost like 3D.
Okay, so let's first what do is make a straight line and make a slightly slanting line and another slanted line, connect it. Okay, similarly we make a slanted line on the other side and we close it like this. Cool.
Like this?
Then what we do is we make another slanting line and a line from here. We connect
But
it.
mine is not remotely doing. Papa,
Yes, beta.
but that's not look straight.
So it will look better.
Like always looking like a house.
Yeah.
No, it
Yeah, it is. Come on, finish it. And now the big M from the McDonald's. How do we do that? Okay, like this, and like this, and this, and this. So this is the big M of McDonald's. And the smileys. Yes, we are done with the Happy
look
Meal
at
box.
us, someone.
Awesome, that's nice. That's beautiful. Now let's make the burgers and the fries and the cold drinks. Yeah? Okay, so let's get started. Let's make the burger first. That's how it is. Then we have some cheese slices and a patty and then some green vegetables and then a bun. Let's make some ice. Yeah. And a fry box. What does that look like? With some fries in it. The fry box is ready and a cold drink glass. What do we make here?
Look, so many.
Yes, the cover of the cold drink glass and a straw. Here is the, so our Happy Meal is almost ready. Yeah, now let's quickly, as always, color it. How is the color of the Happy Meal box? Reds and yellows. I'm done with my drawing. We are waiting for Parikshit to finish his coloring. Until then, parents, do not forget to share your drawings with us, as always, on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub for some amazing goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. Will be waiting for your drawings. Until then, have a good and a wonderful day. Or should we wait? Okay, let's wait for Parikshit to finish his drawing. Done, Parikshit? Awesome. So Parikshit is also done. So let us move on to the next video. Keep watching our channel. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do not forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.